Mastering the word flair. Elevate your English skills. Imagine a chef effortlessly tossing ingredients in a pan, creating a culinary masterpiece with seemingly little effort. That is a perfect example of flair. Today, we are exploring this captivating word and how mastering its usage can elevate your English proficiency to the highest levels. Word type. Flair is primarily used as a noun in English, meaning flair refers to a natural talent or aptitude, especially for doing something in a stylish or graceful manner. It also describes a distinctive elegance or style. Word history. The word flair entered the English language in the mid-19th century. It comes from the French word flair, meaning to smell. Over time, its meaning evolved to encompass a sense of discernment or intuition, ultimately leading to its current usage denoting natural talent or style. Synonyms. Some synonyms for flair include aptitude, knack, talent, gift, panache, verve, and finesse. Antonyms. Antonyms of flair might include ineptitude, clumsiness, awkwardness, and incompetence. Examples used in sentences. She has a remarkable flair for interior design, transforming even the most mundane spaces into works of art. The young pianist's flair for improvisation left the audience spellbound throughout the performance. Despite being new to public speaking, he demonstrated an innate flair that captivated his listeners. The chef's flair for combining unexpected flavors resulted in a truly innovative cuisine. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing flair with flair. While they sound identical, flair typically refers to a sudden burst of light or a gradual widening. For instance, you might say the magician performed with flair, but the emergency flare lit up the night sky. Another error is using flair as a verb. Remember, flair is always a noun. Instead of saying he flared at cooking, you should say he showed flair in cooking or he had a flair for cooking. Lastly, be cautious not to overuse flair. While it is a sophisticated word, using it too frequently can make your writing seem repetitive or forced. To truly demonstrate mastery of this word in your IELTS exam, incorporate it naturally into your speaking and writing. Describe a person's unique talents or a particular style you admire using flair. By doing so, you will showcase not only your expanded vocabulary, but also your ability to use advanced words with precision and elegance.